You don't need a folding bike. You know, you can just get out into nature and get out on a ride on any bike. Being out here is everything. Like, once you get outside and you start experiencing fresh air, you're riding, your blood's pumping, and you start getting more oxygen into your brain, you just start to feel good. And you don't even need a flash bike for that. You can do it on whatever bike you can find. You can even borrow a bike. Like, I borrowed this one, but once I get outside and I start moving those pedals and the world starts going by my face and the sun coming down on you, you know, you start to feel good. And you could do that on a scooter, on a skateboard. A bike is cool though. Like, a bike is really good because you can push the pedals and then just sit back, especially on flat ground, and just cruise along and like just look around you and see all the cool stuff going by you. And for me, I find it's like the best speed, like around about 15 to 20 kilometers an hour. It's 3 or 4 times faster than walking. It's about half the speed of a car on a residential street. So you get to see a lot. You get to also be out there. You can get off the bike and actually touch stuff, put your feet on the ground. Your senses are still in touch. Not like when you're in a car, you're in a glass bubble. You can't get out and touch the water, like touch the sand. You can't stop easily, especially like you're driving on an expressway or something like that. You see something, oh, where'd it go? It's just gone past you. And any thought you had about stopping and like checking out like what's going on around you is gone in a split second. So getting out on a bike, no matter what bike, you can experience this sense of freedom and of like belonging to the environment, of actually like being out here.